as you can see, there's a field over there, and it's drenched in water. And this is the one over there. And this, whatever this is over here, I don't know what it is.
That's a mud puddle.
It's a ditch. Yeah, we got like, what did we get, like 8 inches of rain? Yeah. And it keeps going.
Mom. Mom. Mommy. Remember when I was little, I was jumping in the mud puddles. We even take a picture right there.
Cemetery's got water.
Water standing in.
I want the mommy.
See the water?
I don't know where to go.
Go back that way. Around.
I want the mommy.
Hey, sweetie.
Okay, so we're driving by some storm drains, as you can see. There's where one is over there, and that's like the area is completely covered in water.
I know, but I'm not going to sit right there. If we live there, if there's any problems there, I don't.
We used to live out here actually, and every time it would rain, that would just like fill up with water.
know what I mean?
Lighthouse.
Liability.
And there's our beautiful lake over there, but you can't really see it because of the fog in the background.
I can see some water back there.
It's the lake, honey.
Where are we?
Driveway.
On Lakeside, Zoe. Those can't be good.
Wow. How many houses do you think flooded?
That's not good. Sam, the guy I work with, Sam Hartman, he works for the fire department. He said there's been numerous calls because sump pumps and triggering fires, fire alarms and stuff.
Wow. They can do that?
Electricity, like the plug-ins,
Oh.
like I said, in our basement, because the ones that lived in the corner, they dumped all that money into that White House across from Kitty Corner from theirs. They bought that.
More water standing in field.
I don't even know if they got that other house sold yet.
Oh, that's
Hey, mommy.
I gotta see if I can pull over. I don't know if we can.
Remember when I was little?
Cameron.
I used to jump in the
I gotta see if cars
water puddles.
Zoe, you need to be just a second, please.
Right here, you can
Can you reach your hand back over there, Raven? To the tractors.
Oh, wow.
What do you want,
See,
Zoe?
I'm gonna need you to keep your head still so you don't hit my arm.
You in the window.
No, Cameron.
If you can see that, that's tractors and a lot of water in a field and stuff.
Hey, Mom, can I close the window?
You can close the window when it's done.
Wow. It looks like a lake.
Wow.
I'll have to turn around.
Oh my, look at that. Flash flood warning in the background. And there's the Storm Lake sign. Wow.
Hey, Mom. We went to years to go to that book.
So there's supposed to be a ramp there, a boat ramp, and it's like leveled in water. I'm like a squirrel.
This was dried out last year. Last year there was no water in there.
Oh yeah, last year we had that whole drought thing going on. You could like walk into the middle of the lake and not get wet. And now we're just getting a lot of rain, so apparently Mother Nature can't make up her mind or something, I don't know. Sorry if you can't really hear my voice, but I'm next to, well, that. I think this is what they call Little Storm Lake. You got water from over there, and it's just absolutely pouring wildly into this side over here. Attention anglers, 17 to 22 inch. What doesn't apply to me? It looks like it's something about fishing. I'm gonna walk across this. Wow. Yeah, this is what happens when you get like 8 inches of rain in like a day. I still can't believe we're supposed to get like another inch tonight, and then it's supposed to be rainy the rest of this week too. So I don't know what season we're even in right now. I'm pretty sure it's spring, but it's leaning real close to summer. And yeah, we live in Iowa. We have like the weirdest weather ever. It snows in May. There's like 8 inches of rain in a day in May. You could walk to the middle of our lake last year. I don't even know what's going on. Is that a guy standing out there? Oh, no, it's... Yeah, that's a guy. That is a guy. Look at that.
Huh.
That's a sidewalk that's going through that. You can't see anymore.
Oh, yeah, there's a sidewalk right there. And now it goes over there and it's just like submerged.
Huh. Huh.
Yes, Mark. Wow. That's like the ditch, right?
Mm-hmm.
Full of water. That's just wow, yeah. Look at all this fog up here too. It's like, it's not ground level, but you can see it like shifting. Well, I guess you can't really see it because this is iPod quality video, but yeah. Okay, so we are at the soccer field right now. Sorry for the bad lighting, I don't know what's going on there, but yeah, the goalposts are like the bottom are submerged in water, and all like the trash can barrels are like floating everywhere. Look at that. There's like a giant lake pond puddle thing. I can't even hardly see the tiny bleachers over there. It's ridiculous. There's the park across from the soccer field, covered in water as well. Just look at that. There's water everywhere. So it is Memorial Day, and there are no flags at the courthouse because it is too wet for flags, apparently. Absolute flooding. This is a street. Unbelievable. Just look at that. I'm gonna see if I can get closer. I can't. Holding my iPod. Oh wow. Yeah, this like entire part of the street is just flooded. We're about to fall over. The ends of our neighborhood are just like flooded. I'm not gonna walk all the way down there because I don't want to get stared at by people. But you can see there's water standing at the end of the street there. And the same for the end of the street over here. I'm gonna walk around the corner back to my house, see if there's any flooding on the other end of the street. There's water going down the side of the road. Can't really tell. Sorry to keep you, I don't know, waiting, I guess, but I'm not gonna cut like 10 seconds out or so. And it feels like it's gonna rain. It's spitting right now. These ends aren't flooded, so yeah, that's pretty much it for video. This is what happens when you live in Storm Lake.